How to make hummus a delicious and effective addition to your Mediterranean diet. Are you looking for a tasty and healthy way to enhance your Mediterranean diet? Look no further than hummus. This versatile dip is not only delicious but also has a range of health benefits that make it an effective addition to any diet. Hummus is made from chickpeas, tahini, lemon juice, garlic, and olive oil. These ingredients are all nutritious and contain a range of vitamins and minerals that are essential for good health. Chickpeas, for example, are a great source of protein, fiber, and iron, while tahini is rich in healthy fats and calcium. One of the best things about hummus is how easy it is to make. Simply combine all the ingredients in a food processor and blend until smooth. You can then adjust the seasoning to your taste by adding more lemon juice, garlic, or salt. But how can you make hummus even more effective for your diet? Here are some practical suggestions. 1. Use it as a dip for veggies. Hummus makes a great dip for raw veggies like carrots, cucumbers, and bell peppers. This adds extra fiber and nutrients to your snack and helps you stay full for longer. 2. Spread it on toast. Instead of using butter or margarine on your toast, try spreading hummus instead. This adds extra protein and healthy fats to your breakfast and can help keep you energized throughout the day. 3. Use it as a salad dressing. Mix some hummus with lemon juice and olive oil to create a delicious and healthy salad dressing. This adds extra flavor and nutrients to your greens and can help you stay full and satisfied. 4. Add it to your sandwiches. Instead of using mayonnaise or other high-fat spreads on your sandwiches, try using hummus instead. This adds extra protein and flavor to your lunch and can help you stay full until dinner. By incorporating hummus into your diet in these ways, you can enjoy all its health benefits while also adding variety and flavor to your meals. So why not give it a try today and see how it can enhance your Mediterranean diet.